Now, question number 3 is a very easy question of, you can say, time and work. This question comes in time and work. This question can be a part of equations as well. But it's a very easy question of time and work, right? So the question is, a garrison of 4,400 soldiers is provisioned for 32 weeks. The provision are given at a rate of 45 grams per day per soldier. How many soldiers must leave the garrison so that the same provision may last for 48 weeks at 33 grams per day per soldier? Now, it becomes very important in this question, obviously, to get the correct answer, but after getting the answer, you must go back to the last statement, understand what question is being asked, and then mark your answer among the given options. It becomes very easy for a student to mark an incorrect answer. So let's have a look at the solution for this. Okay. Now, first of all, I'll make a note of a number of soldiers, for how many weeks the food is provisioned for, and the rate also. Using that, I'll be writing the total quantity of food that is present for these soldiers. So number of soldiers, number of weeks, and the number of grams. So first of all, it is 4,400 soldiers provisioned for 32 weeks at a rate of 45 grams. Now let's say some soldiers left and the remaining number of soldiers now is X. Okay, so after some soldiers have left, the same provision, it may last for 48 weeks at a rate of 33 grams per day per soldier. So in the first case, the total quantity of the provision of the food is 4,400 multiply 32 multiply 45. In the second case, it will be X into 48 into 33. Okay, now we can equate these two and find the value of X. Okay, but that value of X will not be the answer. We'll check what we actually need to find out. So I'll make an equation. Okay, so 4,400 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 45 is equal to X into 48 into 33. Now the calculations are pretty easy. 32 and 48 will get cancelled. Okay, so 16 will get cancelled from here. I'll get a 3. Now 33 will become 3 and 44 will become 4. All right. Now 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 into 5 is 45. So 20 and 2, 40, 4,000. So the value of X will be 4,000. Now you all will be tempted to mark 4,000 as the answer, as you can see it among the options. But no, please don't do that. Now, whenever, like in not only this question, but in any question, after you get an answer, just go back to the question. They're asking how many soldiers must leave the garrison. So originally there were 4,400 soldiers. Now there are 4,000 soldiers. So that means in all 4,400 minus 4,000, that is 400 soldiers have left the garrison. So the correct answer for this question must be option C. And yes, that is the correct answer.